My name is Stanley Vivens. I'm an artist. I love doing portraits.
So did you find you had that itch to still be creative, even in a situation like war?
Well, I've been told that the pencil sketches that I do is worth millions to people that I give it to. But it's only me letting that flow.
Yeah, it's an interesting gift.
I won the art contest at the VA in 2017. I painted the memorial, the Vietnam Veteran Memorial that I helped build in San Antonio. I worked with Bob Hope and General Westmoreland. Paid for it to be unveiled in 1986.
And so the art contest you said you won in 2017, was that through your work with the VAI, with Heather?
With Heather, she opened the VA on Tuesday and Friday for veterans to come in and do art